Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So before starting solving this Rubik's Cube, jumbled up Rubik's Cube, we need to understand what are the different pieces that are present in the Rubik's Cube. So there are three kind of pieces. So these ones are the center piece. Okay. So this one doesn't change. It has one face only, one color. Then there are edge pieces, which has two colors. Okay, and there are corner pieces which is three colors. Okay. Now let's take and okay, before we start we need to know that there are three layers. This is the first layer, this is the second layer, and this is the third layer. So we will start solving this cube in each layer basis. So first we are going to solve the first layer, then the middle layer, then the last layer. Okay, so let's take any of the center pieces at top. Okay, so this is the white, we are going to take the white one. Okay, now our first goal is to create a cross over here with the centers aligning with the second layer. Okay, now let's try to create a cross. Okay, so I'm going to bring this one here. Okay, now see it's aligning with the orange. Okay, now this one is red, white and red, and this needs to go here. Okay, so let's move it here and then move it over here. Okay, now what else we have? We have white and blue. Okay, let's fix this first. White and blue, this needs to come as white and blue, so we'll move that piece over there. Okay, so let's move that. So okay, let's fix the second layer. So it's white and red, white and blue, white and orange. Now the last piece, white and green. Okay, this needs to come over here. So we're going to bring it over here. Okay, now let's correct this. Okay, so see, the cross is created and the centers are aligned with the second layer. Okay, now our goal is to fix the corner pieces. Okay, so we are going to identify the corner pieces which are having same colors as these three center piece. Okay, all these three center piece, and we are going to first bring the corner piece to the third layer and then move it to the top. Okay, now let's see. So this one is in the third layer. This has white, green, and orange. So white, this is orange, and this is green. So this piece needs to come over here. This piece needs to come over here. Okay, how we are going to achieve that? So we are going to move this away. We are going to bring this down, move it back here, bring it on top. Okay, so see, this is here. Now this one has white, red, and green. So this needs to come over here. So okay, now we are going to same step. We are going to move this away, bring this down, move this back here, and move it up. Okay, now what else we have? So this white is here, but it's not facing the correct way. So we'll go bring this white down. Okay, let's bring it down first. Okay, so this white has orange and blue, orange and blue and white. Okay, so it has to come over here. So this piece needs to go over here. So again, same step, move it away, bring this down, move this back, bring this up to the top. Okay, now the last white piece, this has to go over here. So move this away, bring this down, move this up, bring it back here. Okay, so now the top layer is fixed. Okay, the top layer is done. Now we need to correct the edge pieces in the second layer. Okay, we need to fix the edge pieces. Now if you see, so we see a blue and a red. So if you bring it over here, so you see this blue and this red and blue, this needs to go over here. Okay, this needs to come over here. So how we are going to do? Again, same step, move this away, bring this down, move this here, bring it up. Okay, now we know how to fix this, right? When we know how to bring this over here. So move this away, bring this down, move it back here, and move it up here. Okay, so see, red and blue, it's in correct place. This is also corrected. Similarly, we are going to fix the other pieces. Let's see what we have. We have blue and orange. So blue and orange. Okay, so this needs to come over here. This one needs to come over here. Again, same step. Bring this back, bring this down, put this back in, move this up. This has to go up here. So move this back outside. Bring this down, this back in, bring this up. Okay. So now, see, this is in the correct place. What else we have? We have this red and green. So this red and green needs to come over here. So move this away, bring this down, move this back this side. We need to fix the top. This away, bring this down, move it back in, bring it up. Okay, so now this piece is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed, only this one is remaining. So where is this? Yeah, okay, we have it here. Okay, so this needs to go over here. So how we can do that? Again, same step, move this away, bring this down, move this back in, bring this up. Okay, now fix the top. So move this away, bring this down, move it back in to the top. Okay, so see, the second layer is now fixed. Okay, now is the final layer, the third layer. So we are going to invert this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so in the third layer, so our first goal is to make a cross. Okay, we need to make a yellow cross, and after that we are going to align the center pieces. Okay, then we are going to fix the edges, and finally we are going to solve the whole Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first target is to make a cross. How to make a cross? If we have already two yellow pieces which are in the correct position, so we are going to make those yellow pieces face outwards from us. Okay, so we are going to keep it on the top. Okay, now move this clockwise once, move this to the front, bring this back here, make a right turn. Now bring back everything, move this back, bring this back over there, and move the right back to the top. Okay, so now it's a straight line. Okay, so again we are going to do the same step. Make a clockwise turn, move this back forward, make a right turn in the top. Okay, now we are going to revert everything. Move this back, turn this, and move the white back into position. See, so we see all the crosses are there, and luckily all the yellows are on top, but these corner pieces, no, these center pieces are not fixed. If you see, this is facing green and blue. This one is correct, this one is incorrect, this one is correct. So two are correct and two are incorrect. So what we are going to do, we are going to take any side. Let's take the incorrect side. Okay, now move this right to the front. Okay, now make two turns on the top, two left turns. Okay, now bring this back, again make a left turn, now move this forward, again make a left turn, now bring this back. Okay, now see how many are corrected. This one is not. Yeah, so this is correct, this is correct, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. Okay, so let's keep the correct one at the front, another correct one in the left, and again do the same step. Okay, so right to the front, make 2 left turns, reverse this, make 1 more left, then move it forward, take 1 more left, restore the white. Okay. Now let's see, it's red, green, orange, blue. So the centers are fixed and we have a cross in top. Okay, now let's examine the edges. So if you carefully examine the edges, this one is in wrong place. So see, there is a orange, we don't have a orange in the center. So this one is in correct place. There is red, there is green, and there is yellow, but it's not facing, means the direction is not right. And this is also wrong, we don't have blue, and this is also wrong, we don't have red. So the one that is correct, we are going to keep this in the rightmost position. Now watch carefully. What we are going to do, we are going to give the top a right turn, move the right side to the front. Now give the top a left turn, move the left side to the front. Now give the top to the right, move it back, and again top to the left, move it back. Okay, now let's see how it's looking. So if you see, this one is correct, this one is also correct, this one is correct, and this one is also correct. Okay, so all the 4 corners are in the correct place, corner pieces. Only problem is they are not facing properly in the correct direction, they are facing in the wrong direction. Okay, how to fix this? Now this is the final step. We are going to do a series of moves to fix this. So we'll take an incorrect corner, okay, this one, and we are going to turn the Rubik's Cube now upside down. So here is the incorrect corner, we have turned the Rubik's Cube upside down. Now watch carefully, we are going to perform a set of 4 moves until this one is facing in the right direction. Okay, what are the 4 moves? Right side 1 turn, top, right, move the right, reverse the what you have done, and then top, left. Okay, again we are going to do the same move, top, right, reverse this, move this back. Okay, now if you see, now it's facing the correct direction. Okay, so this is corrected. So now what we are going to do, make sure you don't invert the cube. We are going to turn it to the next phase. So we turn it over here. So see, this one is already corrected, so we don't need to make any changes. Turn it back 1 more. So see, this one is incorrect, so we are going to do the same move now. Top, right, this, again right side to the front, top, right, bring it back, top, left. Okay, so now see, this one is facing in the correct direction. See, now we are going to bring the last corner, this one is not facing the correct side. So again we are going to do the same moves, top, right, sorry, right side front, top, right, bring back the right side, top, left, again top, right, bring back the right side, top, left. Now if you see, all are facing correct direction, and if you move this, see, tada, solved. So this is the most simplest approach to solve the Rubik's Cube. It might not be the quickest approach, but it is the most simplest approach to fix this. Thank you for watching, guys.